we will see strong evidence of why we need to improve this. Only the big names, they invest more in cybersecurity. They want to protect their customer base. Whenever a company needs funding, needs money, they can go either with private investors or they can go to the stock market. Availability is one of the most important assets when it comes to trading. If your application is not ready, you could lose trading opportunities. The guys who have the information as quick as possible are the guys who do the best profit from it, the best trades. As soon as you go into the market, the more profit you get. We all know what SSL means, right? We are tech savvy. We understand that. But what about the financiers? What about people who have no idea what SSL means? They might think, okay, if this is by default disabled and I have no idea what it is, of course I won't touch it. I want to trade. I don't care what SSL is, right? I wouldn't like other people to know how much money I have invested, right? How many positions I have on Tesla, how many positions I have on Amazon, etc. Do developers really need to know how much money do I have in my account to fix a null pointer dereference? I don't think so. They have everything in a JSON file, Yahoo Finance, ETFs, and many other financial instruments. It's important to distinguish the differences between stock exchanges and common banking networks. In common banking networks, we have a centralized entity, right? The financial institution. And in the exchange markets, we have a distributed ledger. So there is registry of who sold what and to whom, who owns what securities, how many stocks are people sold from here to here to here. In my opinion, they should encourage, they should try to enforce, try to push people to, hey, please enable 2FA, at least for adding a new bank account, for example, or to sell or to buy a certain amount of money on the market. Whenever you enable two-factor authentication to be more secure, for some reason they are opening again the previous window. They're restoring two-step out password. You're fixing one side and you're leaving another door open. Sentiment analysis, or is just a room with 5 guys looking on Twitter? I have no idea. I tried to bypass this, you know, putting some fake information on Twitter, and it was not picked up in here. It never appeared. So I think this is an interesting topic, because with that, if there is a flaw in that, is a way to bypass this, you can influence in the market data. Trading applications are less secure than banking apps for some reason. I don't know why yet. Crypto exchanges have more security controls than the average. I think it's because of the exposure on the internet, on the Bitcoin hype, right? All the people want to hack the exchanges and get rich overnight, etc. For the same reason, they are implementing more security. And brokers need to improve not only their trading applications, the front-end applications, they also need to secure the back-end software, the protocols, the software they implement. Arigato gozaimashita. Thank you so much.